Hey y'all, welcome to Blue Bike and Doyle channel, another episode of Dickin Around in the Shed. Run that intro. Well, I said that fast, didn't I? Time for arts and crafts. Alright, welcome back. We got a package in the mail. Not my P.O. box, because I ain't got nothing in the box. Longest dry spell I ever got for a long time. I believe it's been over a month since I received any mail. If you want to send me something, it's Blue Bike and Doyle channel, P.O. Box 2077, Cedartown, Georgia. 30125. It's Cedartown zip code 30125. So if you watched last week's run to get parts from at 710, you know I broke these. They fell off. Yep, fell off. That thing on. Says it is. So yeah. So this is what we get. These are replacement Caddy 1959 Caddy tail light lens, red plastic. Yep, they red plastic. Oh, I need one more tool, don't I? I need my Dremel. I'm gonna do this a little different. Last one I cut this off because I was, cut this part right here, and yeah. So this time I'm gonna glue it all and then stick it in there like so. And then you gotta get it perfectly centered. That ain't gonna work. Well, I want that work like it did last time. The reason why I use them honey BEEHIVE ones, gives it more of a different look. It makes it shine different a little bit. Well, I guess I need to do some more calculation on that. Calculating. I need to get all this glue off. Well, I need a sharp utensil that's sharp as a razor. Alright, I got my other little tool I needed. Probably need a new tool to cut them things on. Yeah, I won't need that in a minute. Got my sharp utensil. So, get this excess glue off. Cut that lip off right there. I'm gonna do that, and then that way I can stick my hand down in there better, maybe. Arts and crafts. Let's get this going. I see I need this plugged up. And take this little thing off right here. Yep. Now I need another. Yep. Need a snip, pull, throw in the trash. Alright. Put them in the trash. Hell, it is supposed to come out right through there, ain't they? Yeah, there you go. Got little directions. Don't need them. This is a Dremel. I got that quick release grinder thing. You stick it on there, turn it, it locks it in. Safety third. Safety third. Yeah, we don't get plastic all over my face. Oh shit, that's some another. And don't burn yourself on the glue gun. So safety. Take glue. When you wear safety glasses, it hasn't been all over my face. Alright. That looks the same. Alright. Mark myself on the glue gun, and I need gluing yet. That'll work. Let's do the next one. You don't need to see that. Okay, next step is I'm going to take some of this hot glue gun and glue it around this cap and make sure it's straight. Alright, that looks like it's pretty straight. I'll let that dry. And I gotta do this one. I need to just, yep. Let me scrape this one. Alright, I'm taking that one to the side. I'm gonna get this one where it looks pretty straight. And we're gonna glue it. I mean, kind of straightish. Yep. I'll take it all day. Alright, since this is glued, I guess that one is ready to go on its glass. So, I want it to go down far enough to okay, this is what we're going to have to do. We're going to have to move our operation over to the motorcycle so I can get a better fit. So maybe that's the way I did the last one. I don't remember. But we got to push it in equally so the seat and gives you enough reveal on it, and then that centers everything up for you use the tail light. Yep. So let's move over to the motorcycle. Well, here goes nothing. Well, not really, because you know all you do is heat it up and take it, pull it apart. I need my glue gun that I thought I plugged up and I didn't. Dang it. Excuse me. Get this glue gun up. Come on, move out of the way. There you go. Alright. And I didn't bring but one light bulb. Alright. I want this to go up in here so it almost hits, so it goes nothing. We'll get it glued on the top maybe. And see what happens. Say a prayer. Looks good to me. I should have brought the other light. Lens. I got the light bulbs in the bulbs. Make sure I don't grab the busted one. I think these 2.0s. That's what these are, 2.0s. I'll let that glue cool off on the top. And then I'll pull it off. Hopefully it stays together. And I'll glue some more in it. Never have too much glue. Well. Let that, already messed up. Because I didn't glue it all the way around. I should have put some glue and shoved it up in there. I don't know. Will this come off? But a lot tighter. Yeah, that got glue on the paint. Let me do this the same way. Well, let's see if it works. So I'm not bringing my key out yet. They lit up. They blinking. They blinking. They blinking. Disco time. Looks like a smiley face, doesn't it? Where you got two eyeballs, and then you got the smile face down there. Choom papa loom papa bow wow wow. Clear, folks. But that's all, folks. So we repaired the 59 Cadillac. So now you know how to make a 59 Cadillac lens fit on your Harley Davidson. Just some ingenuity, some fabricating, imagination. That's all you need. You can like, share, and subscribe to this video. You can check out that video right there and that one. Go over here, hit the subscribe button. It's free. Like, share, and subscribe, baby. We'll see you on the next one. I'm going on a road adventure. Road adventure? Yeah.